Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from everyone else? It's not just about earning a high income, it's about cultivating the right habits. Today we're diving into the millionaire mindset and the habits that lead to wealth. Welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to transform your financial life and adapt the habits of successful millionaire, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Millionaires know exactly what they want to achieve. They set clear, specific financial goals and create actionable plans to reach them. Start by defining what financial success means to you. Break down your goal into short-term, mid-term and long-term objective. For example, a short-term goal might be saving $5,000 in the next year, while a long-term goal could be building a $1 million investment portfolio over the next 20 years. In addition to setting goals, millionaires consistently save and invest a portion of their income. They understand the power of compound interest and let their money work for them. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Automate your saving and investment so that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into your saving account or investment portfolio. The most important part over here is consistency, even if you start with small amount. Another most important habits of millionaire is living below their means. They avoid lifestyle inflation and make deliberate choices about their spending. Track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. Focus on spending money on things that truly matters to you and bring you long-term value rather than spending money on temporary pleasures. Millionaires are also lifelong learners. They invest time and money into their education to stay ahead in the field and make informed financial decisions. They commit to continuous learning, read books on personal finance, attend workshops, take online courses and stay updated on market trends. The more financially knowledgeable you are, the better you'll be at growing your wealth. Relying on single source of income is risky, so millionaires often have multiple streams of income such as side businesses, investment and real estate. Explore ways to diversify your income. This could be through starting a side hustle, investing in stocks, buying rental properties or creating passive income streams. Diversification helps protect your financial stability and accelerates wealth building. Your network significantly influences your mindset and success. Millionaires surround themselves with positive, goal-oriented individuals who inspire and challenge them. Seek out mentors, join professional groups, and build relationships with people who share your financial aspirations. Learn from their experiences and support each other's growth. Moreover, millionaires understand that taking risks is part of wealth building. They don't gamble, but they do take calculated risk based on research and informed decision. Evaluate potential opportunities carefully. Whether it's investing in new business venture or buying stock, make sure you understand the risk involved and have a strategy in place. Now let's dive into the story of two friends, Alex and Ben, who grew up in the same neighborhood, attended the same schools, and started their careers at the same company. Despite their similar backgrounds, their financial outcomes were drastically different. Today, Alex is a millionaire while Ben is struggling to make ends meet. The difference lies in their mindset and habits. From an early age, Alex was curious about money and investing. He read books on personal finance, attended seminars, and seek advice from successful mentors. When he started his first job, he set clear financial goals, save 20% of his income, invest in the stock market, and eventually buy rental properties. Alex lived below his means. While his friends bought new car and went on expensive vacation, Alex drove a used car and saved for investment. He automated his saving and investment, ensuring he consistently put money aside every single month. For example, by saving $100 per month with an average annual stock market return of 10%, he knew that after investing consistently for the next 5 years, he would accumulate approximately $7,500. Alex also learned few skills to start his side business selling handmade furniture online. He took online courses and attended workshops to improve his craftsmanship and business acumen. This additional knowledge enabled him to create high quality products and effectively market them. As a result, Alex started a successful side business and invested in dividend-paying stocks. This not only increased his income but also provided a safety net in case he lost one stream of income. Ben, on the other hand, had a different approach. He believed that working hard at his job was enough and didn't feel the need to educate himself further about personal finance. When he received pay raises, he increased his spending, buying new car and moving to a more expensive apartment. Ben didn't save or invest consistently. He often used his credit cards for purchases and accumulated debt. Procrastination was a major issue for him. Instead of using his time and resources effectively, he spent hours surfing social media and wasting money to impress others. He bought things that depreciated over time rather than assets that could grow in value. He relied solely on his salary and didn't explore additional income streams, leaving him vulnerable when unexpected expenses arise. The main difference between Alex and Ben was their mindset. Alex viewed money as a tool to build wealth and eager to learn and grow continuously. He took calculated risks, diversified his income, and stayed disciplined in his spending and saving habit. Ben, however, saw money as a means to enjoy life immediately without considering the long-term consequences. His lack of financial education and discipline kept him in a cycle of debt and financial difficulty. So what are the lessons you learned from this story? Becoming a millionaire isn't just about having a high-paying job or coming from a wealthy family. It's about your mindset and habits. Alex and Ben's story shows that the choices we make every single day can either set us up for financial success or keep us trapped in financial struggle. Starting today, commit yourself to these millionaire habits. Every small step you take now can lead to significant changes in the long run. The journey to become millionaire begins with the decision to change your mindset and habits. No one can help you become a millionaire except you. Start taking action now, and I'm sure your future self will be thanking you. With that, that's all from me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take action today, and let's embark on this journey together. Thanks for watching, all the best, and I will see you in the next video. Signing off from LIA.